So Anas was only a child. He did a khidmah of the Prophet ﷺ for approximately 10 years. Some narrations he was 8 years old, and some narration he was 10 years old when he started. He was 20 years old when he finished. So a group of people came to him from Basra, and they said, Anas, Khadim of the Messenger of Allah, please make us a dua for us. So he said, Allahumma ighfir lana warhamna. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. He said, oh Allah, forgive us and have mercy upon us. And Allah, give us good in this dunya. In this dunya also give us good. And give us good in the akhirah and save us from the punishment of the fire. They said, no. We've heard these du'as. Allahumma ighfir, Allahumma arham. Allah have mercy, Allah forgive you. And Rabbana atina fi dunya hasana. We want something special. We've come all the way from Basra. So he gave them exactly the same dua again. They said, no. We want something unique, something special. Allah forgive you. When you walk past a person, you do something, you say, Allah forgive you, Allah have mercy upon you, Allah give a Maulvi after every salah, he says, Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana wa fil akhirati hasana. Give us something more. He said, what can you have more than the fact that Allah gives you good in this world and good in the hereafter? So what else do you want? If Allah has given you good in this world and good in the akhirah and saved you from the fire, there is nothing better than this.